Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen, and we're going to do some chemistry together about baking soda and see if we can figure out how baking soda decomposes. So here's my setup. We've got baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. And I've got a container and a kitchen scale and a toaster oven and an iPad for a stopwatch. So here's what we're gonna do. We'll turn the scale on, set it to grams. Gonna put the metal container, empty metal container on the scale. There's the reading of the empty metal container. And now, let's see if we can do this one-handed. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Oh, I got it. We're going to scoop some baking soda into the metal container. All right, that should be good. So there's baking soda in the metal container. And now we're gonna put this into the toaster oven. Toaster oven is heating at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it runs a little bit cold, but we're gonna bake this and we'll check back in a little bit. All right, so it's been a little over 10 minutes. Let's stop that. And we're gonna take the baking soda dish out of the toaster oven and just set it down here to cool. We'll check back in a couple minutes. All right, so it's been a few minutes. This dish is now cool enough to touch, and we're gonna put it back on the scale. There's the reading. And we're gonna go back into the oven for some more cooking. Baking soda's for baking, right? That's what you do with it. All right, back in we go. Give it another 10 minutes or so and we'll check in a little bit. All right, coming up on another 10 minutes in the oven. So we'll stop that and take our dish out again. Looks pretty much the same. And we'll go over here to cool, and we'll wait in a couple minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes. We have a cool dish again. Still looks like a nice white powder. And we'll turn our scale back on. 0 grams. There's the weight of the dish and the white powder. And we're gonna give it some more bake time. So back into the oven we go. And I'm actually gonna turn the heat up a little bit this time. Bring it up to around 450. Keep it going. Here we go. See you in 10 minutes. All right, coming up on 30 minutes total, our third round of 10 minutes. You know the drill. Nice white powder. Take this out. Let it cool. See you in a few. All right, you know the drill. So here we go, back onto the scale. And we'll do one more round in the oven. There we go. All right, there's our fourth round of 10 minutes. White powder. Take it out, let it cool, and we'll measure in a minute. All right, time to check in. cool container. There's our mass. And we're still decreasing mass, so we're gonna keep cooking. Here we go. All right, time for another check. Set the dish to cool. See you in a minute. All right, let's see how it's going. Still decreasing. Back in the oven for another round. It's been 50 minutes so far. Here we go again. All right. It's been an hour. Here's our mass. And we'll go back into the oven for another round. All right, there's an hour 10. Take this out, let it cool. We'll measure in a minute. All right, been an hour 10, and now it's cool. Here's a mass. All right, there's our mass. So with that information, how does baking soda decompose? Can you figure it out?